The scientists tested their null hypothesis using the chi-squared statistical test. After one cycle, they calculated chi-squared value was 350. The critical value at p equals 0.05 is 3.841. What does this result suggest about the difference between the observed and the expected results, and what can the scientist therefore concluded? So the first thing that we might notice is that the chi-squared value was 350 and the critical value is 3.84. So the chi-squared value is greater than the critical value. And that's when the critical value is p equals 0.05. So that means that there is a 5% probability that that difference is due to chance. So therefore, because that value is greater, then we can conclude that there is a less than 5% or less than 0.05 probability that that difference is due to or has occurred by chance. Therefore, because the calculated value is greater than the critical value, the null hypothesis can be rejected. So the scientists can then conclude that the proportion of plants that produced 2 gametes does change from one breeding cycle to the next. The word difference is underlined, and we can see in the extra information that they will be rejecting results without any reference to difference. So it's difference that is the key word. They want to see that there is a less than 5% probability that the difference or that the difference in the results is observed by chance. So not just the idea that there is a 5% probability that the results are down to chance. It's all about the difference that has occurred between the results and that result being a significant difference. They will also accept there is a greater than 95% probability that the difference did not occur by chance, which is the converse argument. They're ignoring any reference to the difference being significant. It must be the idea of linking it to the critical value of it being a less than 5% probability that the difference is due to chance. But they will not accept p-value for critical value. It is the critical value that we are looking at.